Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make pitches properly from Newtone in FL Studio. So let's begin. As you can see, FL Studio is launching right away. Here it is. Choose Newtone plugin here, and yeah, you can choose any pitch what you want. So yeah, I'm going to choose this pitch like kick. Just save this, or you can drag selection if you want also. I'm going to save this instead. So let's see how this goes down. Alright, there you have it guys. And so with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.